Hi, my name is Romano, and today we are going to answer the question, how can we create value faster? In one of my previous videos, I showed you why DevOps is important. We saw there that today's enterprises have a lot of challenges. One of the challenges is they need to create more with less money and faster, which is related to the time to market. You can watch the video which is displayed over there if you like. A second thing we also have looked at is where value is actually created. And there I showed you that value is only created at the customer side. Through the whole value chain, no value is generated. Only at the customer side is value really generated. You can also watch that video if you like. And then we answered the question why we should create value faster. And the answer to this question is because we have a faster return on investment or we get a faster break-even point. Also that video you can watch if you like. After that, we have had a look at how can we improve the whole value chain. And this is done by value stream mapping. I showed you in this video how this is done step by step. And when we have analyzed the value stream, when we have looked at the value stream and when we have identified the bottlenecks, usually we can also see that perhaps we have very long deployment cycles, which relates again to this point, how can we improve the value stream and make it faster. And usually this is done by introducing a proper CI/CD pipeline, which is the continuous integration, continuous deployment or continuous delivery pipeline. You can also watch that video over there. And in the end, when we are doing this, we are going to introduce DevOps and do a DevOps transformation. And there we are going to focus on first fast value generation into production, getting feedback back from production, and then establish a culture of continuous learning. This is how we are going to introduce DevOps. And with that, you now know how to create value faster in your enterprise.